How you guys doing today? Today I decided to make a video. The slip-ons, the Vance and Hines slip-ons that I have. I wanted to do a sound check for so any of you guys that are maybe thinking of putting some pipes in your Harley touring bike. So I decided to do a sound check because of the fact I got this this new toy. This is a Zoom H6, and this is it's a voice recorder. It's a very good quality voice recorder. It has 4 XLR inputs, and you could hook it up to 6 XLR inputs. Plus, it brings two mics, and it does very good quality sound recording. You know, they use it for live bands and, you know, musicians and everything. So I figure, you know what, it would be a good idea to do a sound check on the pipes that I have right here. Pipes, the Vance and Hines slip-ons that I have are the Vance and Hines Monster Ovals. The product ID for the chrome tips. The chrome tips are right here. Mine are the black tips. Well, the part number, the Vance and Hines product ID is the 16755. If you want it with a chrome tip. Mine have the black tip, obviously, because I figure my bike is black, so might as well go with a black tip. The product ID for that is 16753. And this Monster Oval, they come with baffles on. So if you are into a good deep sound but not annoying your ears, I used to have another model. I'm gonna post it on the screen which other model. I had it for a couple months, and those were straight shots, Vance and Hines, but they were too much for me. You know, I figured if I'm gonna do 500-600 miles on a day on a road trip, I don't think I'm gonna be able to deal with that. I figure if you're a city rider, if you're gonna be riding on the city, you know, half-an-hour trip, you know, around the city, maybe, you know, you could deal with it. But I mean, if you're gonna use it for touring, you know, for my opinion, was too much. I actually have a video. I have a video for those older Vance and Hines that I got rid of it because they were too much for me. But the one that I have right now, and the one that I've been used, that I have on my bike for the last couple of years, my bike is a Harley Davidson Ultra Limited Low 2015. From the research that I made, these slip-ons are good for 1995 to a 2016 Harley Davidson touring bikes models. So no more saying. I'm gonna do a sound check on it, and I'm gonna be using this very professional sound recording to do the sound check, and that way, you know, we could get good quality sound check. So let's see. Okay, right now you should be getting sound from the recorder. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the recorder around and see how the sound is. I'm gonna check the sound level on the recorder. I usually try to keep my sound level on the recorder -12. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna accelerate the bike. Move the mic. I'm gonna move the sound recorder. On the back. I got the sound recorder on the back. Okay, that's what I have the sound recorder right there. I'm gonna accelerate. So, what do you guys think? Okay, that's enough. The next, let me turn on the bike. Okay, the next test, I'm probably gonna take it on the road and I'm gonna do a sound check, doing pass-bys, fast, and see how the ambient lights on the highway sounds like, and that will be the next one. So I'm gonna get on the bike. I'm gonna go around a couple times, and just to get an ambient sound of the pipes. Hopefully, my recorder volume level is pretty decent. So we'll see. So let's go try it.